Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see that I have lots of dark spots on my face due to acne and dark circles also because of the inadequate sleep. So in today's video we will be learning how to hide them using two products only. Yeah, you guys can already see that those dark spots and dark circles are gone already. So yeah, let's see how did I do that magic. So let's get into the video. So I have started by moisturizing my face because it is very important to prep your skin before doing your makeup. And the next step might sound very weird to some people, but I have learned it from the internet and it has worked amazingly for my skin. If you have oilier combination skin, you can apply the translucent powder immediately after the moisturizer application. It will absorb the excess oil from your skin and also it controls the sweat from your skin during the summer season especially. So yeah, and immediately after that apply the setting spray all over your face to lock the translucent powder into your skin. And after it dries out apply a matte and oil free primer. Just for the info guys, যাদের oily বা combination skin এই টেকনিকটা কিন্তু একমাত্র তাদের জন্যে। যাদের dry skin আছে তারা যদি এই টেকনিকটা অ্যাপ্লাই করো and if you don't get a good result, please don't blame me because I have no idea if that technique will work for a dry skin people or not. I have no idea, seriously. So now take a concealer which is exact match to your skin tone and apply it using your finger wherever you have the dark spots. আর আমার তো মুখ ভর্তি ডার্ক স্পটস আছে, তোমরা তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ. So I need to cover up almost 80% of the face using that concealer, which is a time taking process and at the same time it is a very boring task guys. So you guys must have seen that I don't prefer the orange corrector that much because if you apply the orange corrector you need to apply the concealer on top of that and then the foundation, then the translucent powder. So there will be multi layers of products on your face and whatever the season is, I don't like the multi layers of products on my skin. So I have blended the concealer using a beauty blender so that it settles down into the skin nicely. Now I will be highlighting my face using a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I have applied a little bit of the concealer using my finger and blended it using a beauty blender. I don't know why, but if I don't highlight my face looks very tired after some time. So if you don't need it, you can simply avoid it. And next comes the hero of today's makeup look. Now why I'm calling it the hero? See yourself. See the coverage it is providing. Honestly, I'm trying this compact powder from Kiro for the first time in my life and I'm literally blown away by its coverage. This is the Botanico Timeless Matte Compact Powder from Kiro, which gives airbrush matte finish. You can build up the coverage as much as you want. It's oil and sweat controlling also and minimizes the pores. And the best thing is that all the ingredients are 100% natural in it. So apply it all over your face and see all the dark spots are totally gone now. For the under eye areas, I have used one shade lighter. The shade details are given in the description box, so you guys can check them out from there. And also do not forget to apply the powder into your hairlines and on the neck also, otherwise it will look like a mask. And now my face is looking kind of all powdery, so that is why puro setting spray দিয়ে আমি স্নান করে নিয়েছি সারা মুখটাতে. Now take a beauty blender and press the product into your skin nicely. Now very light handedly I will be contouring my face so that আমার ফেসটা একদম সাদা থালার মতো যাতে দেখতে না লাগে. And next I will be adding some blush onto my cheeks also, so that my face will look colorful and vibrant also. To make my face looking glowy, I have applied some highlighter on the highest points of my face. For the third time now, I am applying the setting spray all over my face to set all the products which I have used till now. After doing my eyebrows off camera, I have started my eye makeup, and for the eye makeup I haven't used any eyeshadow palette today, rather taking that contour powder and the highlighter which I have used for today's base makeup, I have contoured my eyes. Yeah, I have applied that contour powder on my crease area and on the lower eyelid, and that's it, and applied that highlighter on the inner corner so that my eyes will look brighter and bigger. Next, for the eyelashes, which I hardly have, I have curled it first using an eyelash curler and then applied another new product from Kiro Beauty, which has become my recent favorite, because this is the super shelled mascara with 99% natural ingredients. It has super intense black color, it is waterproof, non-clumpy and non-flaky also, and most importantly, see the difference, it's super voluminizing also. So yeah, it is super amazing. I loved that mascara, guys. And lastly, for my lips I have used a bright mauve color, and yeah, that's it for today's look. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if this video was helpful for you, and if you have enjoyed watching this video. I think that video will be super helpful during that summer season, especially because all the dark spots are covered up, and at the same time it is sweat controlling also. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and if anybody is new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.